Hey guys, I've been asked how to create eave trimmers. Let's have a quick look, see if we can show you. Notice there's no eave trimmers in there to hold the... So I'm going to go back to my All tab, and I'm going to go to Structure Off there. And what that's done is just turned a whole heap of layers off for me automatically. Now, if I just go to my roof here and I turn off my roofing, my gutter, and anything else that you don't need on. So I don't need flashing on. I do need eaves on, but I don't need fascia on. And I don't need capping on. Right, therefore I can now go into my, double click until I get into my eave group, and I can use either the joist tool, so right click, floor joist, create joist, or I could use the ceiling joist tool, depends on what you want to use. And obviously we're going to use a very small piece of timber here, so we're going to use 70, let's see if I can get that down so you can see it, 70 mil, 70-35, whatever, it could even be batten, whatever, right? And if you want to, you can also have a perimeter, and then just go submit. And like this is only cheap material, right? Now I can't see it now because the structure's turned off. If I go to structure, what I might do first is save this scene, right click, add, and that way I can get back without having to turn all those layers off again. And then if I go to structure, you'll notice that now I have my eave trimmers in. Now you can see by mistake I didn't turn off my perimeter beams there. I had them in a large size. In some cases you might need that, some cases you might not. So it's pretty easy. Then if I go back to here, I can go back and I can rectify it, or I can go and do new ones over here. So I can do multiple at one time. So do these two on there, and I'm going to turn my perimeter beam off, and I'm going to go submit, and I'm going to run them at 90 degrees. Right, go over to my structure tab. You'll notice that now I have trimmers in there. So you can do the opposing sides pretty easily. If there's any questions, ask them below. Cheers.